The annual fee posted on my American Express green card for $150. You can see it right over there. And I really don't want to pay it. So it's time to chat up American Express and see what they can do to help me with my predicament. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to get some free stocks from Webull when you open a new brokerage account and deposit any amount. Now I'll begin this video by saying that I'm actually a decent fan of the American Express green card because it earns triple points in very useful categories that cover a lot of things like restaurants, for example, all travel, which includes flights, hotels, rental cars, cruises, and more, plus transit. So that includes ride shares, taxis, bridges, tolls, and more. So if you're the type of person who eats out quite often, also travels frequently, and uses ground transportation services, then the green card's a pretty much do-it-all card that's worth a spot in your wallet if you want to earn travel rewards. But it's got that nasty $150 annual fee. Now there are some ways to justify that. For example, the easiest path to do that is to use the 2 credits that come on the card every year. The first is a $100 credit towards a Clear membership to get through airport security faster, as well as entrance into a lot of stadiums around the US. And the second one is another $100 statement credit for lounge access through the Lounge Buddy program, which Amex acquired. Basically, you can charge the day passes to those lounges on your Amex green card and then receive statement credits up to $100 maximum. But I've got a problem. I don't just have the green card, I also have the Amex Platinum Card. Now, the Platinum Card does not come with any credits towards lounge access. It actually does much better than that. It gives you a full Priority Pass Select membership, plus access to Centurion lounges and Delta Sky Clubs, Escape lounges, Airspace lounges, and more. So collectively, it's well over 1,000 airport lounges worldwide. The Platinum Card also has a Clear credit too, but it's not just $100, it's $179. So those two benefits overlap pretty much entirely, and of course the Platinum's equivalent version is much, much better. So for me, it makes no sense to pay a $150 fee every year just for the ability to earn triple points in a few categories where there are other cards that I could mix around that could do the same. So let's go chat with Amex. The conversation began right up here with, "Hi Jeffrey, how can I help you today?" I replied with, "Hi, the $150 annual fee posted to my green card ending in 11005, which is right there behind me, and I'm thinking about closing the account. Are there any offers available to help me make sense of the fee for another year?" Then we had some automated bot activity with some irritating navy blue pop-ups. Don't worry about this up here. We're just gonna focus here in the main chat area. Just saying someone will be with me in just a moment. I got connected to someone named Mac right there. He then said, "I see your chat reason and will look into this for you." I was then transferred over to a membership consulting services team to help me further because the normal customer service representatives don't deal with retention offers, underwriting, or anything like that. Then with "Greetings Jeffrey, I hope you're doing well," I just asked, "With whom am I speaking?" It was Ray or Ree from the retention team. And the first question here was, "May I ask what types of benefits are most valuable to you?" I then started to reply, but then received this message again, "Greetings Jeffrey, I hope you're doing well." So I'm assuming that was just the automated bot. Maybe Ray or Ree was not writing that. So there might have been some connectivity issue there. So I just asked, did we lose connection, blah, blah, blah. We apparently didn't. So anyway, to continue, I then said right here in the blue, "To answer your earlier question about the benefits I value in a card, I value rewards that provide good value for cash back primarily and travel secondarily, as well as elite benefits with airlines and hotels. If an annual fee is involved, then I need to see benefits or credits that can help me make sense of paying that fee." And here was the response that I got. "Thank you so much for sharing this with me. Keeping green card would be worth it, as it would earn you 3 points per dollar worldwide at restaurants, including takeout and food delivery services like Postmates, travel, and transit. Along with that, you'll get great travel benefits, which means even if you just spend $5,000 annually at the above categories, then you can easily redeem 15,000 membership rewards worth up to $150 if you redeem for gift cards, isn't it?" So that was kind of all over the place there. I specifically said earlier that I value rewards that are good for cash back primarily. some benefits like airline or hotel elite status, plus credits if annual fees are involved that made sense for my situation. So I didn't talk about, restaurants or transit or any of that stuff, or even redeeming for gift cards. That just didn't make sense to me. So I just said right up here, unfortunately, no, the goal isn't to break even. There are other cards out there that earn 3x to 5x points with no annual fee to destroy the value earned. Because who wants to earn $150 of cash back and then go pay it all in an annual fee? Not me. But this is where things got quite interesting. Here was the response. I see. May I ask if you use US streaming subscriptions? I said I do, Audible. And after I answered that question, I actually got a retention offer based upon my streaming services answer. So here's what the rep said. Perfect. In that case, I'd like to offer earn up to a total of $100. I'll highlight this for you all. $100 in statement credits over the next 6 months, starting from today, after you use your card to pay directly for select US streaming subscriptions and eligible US wireless telephone service charges as our way of saying thank you for keeping your account open. Then it went on and on about all this other stuff down here, plus a link to show the current list of eligible streaming and wireless service providers. I actually didn't see that link when I was talking, so I kind of I became a little bit irritating. And you'll see what I mean in just a moment here. But first I said, are there any other offers? My Platinum Card already reimburses my monthly streaming expense. I do have a subscription right now with Audible, which is one of the current 4 eligible services that the Platinum Card will reimburse you for up to $20 per month. So for me, I didn't need another streaming credit because I was already getting 100% of that $14.95 per month charge reimbursed. The reply here was, your 9 years of business means a lot to us and we would like to have you in the American Express family. Considering that, we would like to offer, earn a $100 statement credit after you spend $1,500 or more on purchases on your green card account within 3 months of accepting the offer. And that statement credit would be applied to my account within about 8 to 12 weeks. And here's where I got kind of irritating. So I said, thanks for this. I'd like to make sure I'm clear about the first offer. Does eligible US wireless telephone service charges include my monthly Verizon phone bill? Then we went back and forth. This went on for a little bit. Ultimately, we got down to the rep telling me all the eligible streaming services that would work. And there are quite a lot of them, including Audible, HBO, there's Peacock, Paramount, Spotify, tons of great stuff. But I was only interested in knowing, will my phone bill that is recurring every month, will that work? So we went back and forth some more. And then the rep gave me a link right here to go to, which was the same one that I got way earlier. The rep said that link was to show me all of the eligible streaming services. So I then asked again, if that's the case for streaming, then what is US wireless phone service charges? Basically what works for that category? And then here I got my direct answer, examples of merchants that accept the card, American Express card, where you can earn additional rewards for wireless service include AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, and Verizon. You can check all the details in the same link. So I was like, oh, okay, so that link shows me a lot more than just streaming. So then I finally opened up the link. I'll put it in a new tab here and go over there. And I found out that link is actually extremely useful. It's one that I've used in the past. It shows you all the eligible categories of what American Express counts when they say certain types of categories. If you earn triple points on transit or gas or supermarkets, what does that actually include and mean? This page tells you. I'll definitely put the link down in the description for you all to see as well in case you're curious about other categories. So let's scroll down here to what I cared about. What is eligible for, there we go, wireless telephone service providers right there. I'll make it a bit bigger on the screen too. To earn additional rewards, blah, blah, blah. It just tells you all the category inclusions and exclusions. So when I saw in this list here that Verizon would work, for my monthly phone bill, I was totally amped about that. So back over to the other tab here. That's when I said, great, down here at the bottom. Since Verizon charges are eligible, I'll go with the first offer to earn $100 in statement credits from streaming/wireless credits. I was then told, perfect, I'm going to send a disclosure to accept the offer, for which I'll need your consent in yes, to proceed and apply that on your account. And then all those terms and conditions followed from there. So really the cool thing here is that the first offer that I did choose to accept, my phone bill was about $125. So to earn $100 out of $125 of an expense, that's an 80% return on my phone bill for that next month. And I'll be able to use the entire credit within 1 month, which is great. The other one would have been the same $100 statement credit for $1,500 of spend. That would have been times 100, about 6.67% return. Still great. I can't think of any other credit cards that would give you 6.67% return on any category on an ongoing basis beyond a sign-up bonus or something like that. So either offer would still be a good return no matter what, and then of course help you to cut your annual fee from $150 on the green card down to just $50. So naturally I said, yes, please proceed, add that offer to my account. I was told, fantastic, thank you for choosing to stay with us. We value your membership. I've successfully applied the offer to your card, and it was a done deal. So there you have it, a pretty unique retention offer that I've never seen before to earn credits up to a certain amount for a specific type of spend category. Now I also want to mention for all of you out there that I did receive a retention offer 2 years ago. That was back in January of 2020. I received 12,500 membership rewards points. I'm not sure if there was a spend category or not. I don't really remember. I don't think there was. But nonetheless, that was a retention offer for 2020. Then in 2021, I attempted it again. It did not receive an offer. I tried a couple different times with different representatives. There was nothing at all. And now here we are in 2022 where I did receive another offer. So I'm not sure if it's going to be every other year or if it's potentially possible to get a retention offer every single year. But the best you can do is simply to try it, give it a go. The worst I can say is no. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit other people, please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to get some free stocks from Webull when you open a new brokerage account and deposit any amount. And if you received any retention offers on the Amex Green Card or any other American Express card products, drop your data points down below in the comments to help others out and show people what's available potentially right now during this time of the year. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.